watching people on YouTube do lots of epic unboxings and stuff, so we're doing it too. And
because we figure if they can do it, we can too, right, buddy?
Yeah. Well, this is our first video, the unboxing of Trap Shadow.
On our brand new channel.
On our brand new channel, oh my gosh, OMGTV. And let's get this thing dancing.
With an epic unboxing of Trap Shadow.
Let's get this thing dancing.
Alright, let's do it.
Let me get it open.
Let me see if I can get it started for you there. There we go. Oh yeah.
Oopsie daisy. Let me stick.
You gotta pull them out of that plastic. Sometimes he doesn't want to come out. And there's the bottom half. We gotta get him out too. Because Trap Shadow is what kind of Skylander?
Look!
Oh, no way, really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Alright. Tell him what kind of Skylander Trap Shadow is. He's a SWAT forcer, right?
Magic type, too.
And he's a magic type, and he also, what ability?
Sneak.
The sneak ability. And he is our first sneak ability in our collection. So we're very happy to have him. Let's take a little close-up of him here, bud. Oh, yeah.
Wait, there's one thing I want to do.
What is it?
Hide and sleep, 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 sleep. Hide and sleep, 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 sleep. Hide and sleep, 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 sleep. Hide and sleep, 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 sleep.
All right.
Sleep, 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 sleep.
So, like we said, this is our first video for the OMGTV channel, and stay tuned as we'll bring another episode of bringing Trap Shadow from the beginnings up to a level 25 Skylander who is incredible. Can he be level 25?
No,
No.
only 20.
Well, level 20 then.
Tasty banana, peace out!